Right, guys, a very good afternoon. Masquerasi, Masquerasi, Masquerasi. I have a story, a shocking story here about kubatwa kuri kuitwa zvinhu nevanhu, and I want you to actually tell me this story here. Nixon himself is saying that a lady driving a Toyota Fortuner dropped this item outside Fantasy Land, which is opposite Eastgate Mall. She sped off after dumping it. And here is the picture on the screen. What do you think about this picture? What do you think about this thing? Chine mazino, chine machichi, chine chuma chiri kumashure uko. What do you think about this thing? Urombwa here or is culture or chii chiri kumbonyatsoitika? And what may be the reason why this person dumped it and sped off? Did the lady speed off or chadonha nemistake akanyara kunhonga, or what do you think about this whole thing? I can't get the logic behind having something like this. Uh, it's culture, maybe it's culture, because I know the cultural people actually come after me after this program. But the question is this cultural? If it is cultural, what is the reason of speeding off? And is it the source of hair wealth? Are there complications, sorry, repercussions of these things happening? Or she dumped it because she was getting problems from it? I don't know your take regarding this issue. These are real issues which are happening in Zimbabwe, issues which we cannot ignore, issues we actually need to talk about. So, myself, I'm actually in fear because these things, uh, I don't see the reason of having them. Why should somebody have something like this? For what reason? So I've seen a lot of people just actually admiring vanhu vanenge vane zvinhu zvakadai. So hanzi papi ipapo cause paraunda hapasi kunge mutown, hanzi panogezerwa mota paya just next to Chicken Inn. Okay, this person is actually giving the place. Okay, hanzi madhirama munomawanza papi chaipo paEastgate pane huswa. Okay, hanzi uya ndikuratidze pashiri repaEastgate izvezvi. This is about 1 hour ago. Okay, hanzi saw it too. This is somebody who is actually confirming kuti atochionawo. Hanzi caused some traffic congestion for a while. Hanzi ritual wealth zvakaoma kani. Juju Mbashito for money making. She had a Toyota Fortuner, right? I suspect the Chikwambo came aggressive husband at night. She couldn't take it anymore. Okay. Aggressive husband chakadai so. Kona Robert Mugabe and Third Avenue next Chicken Inn complex. All right. Guys, what's your take about this whole thing? Murufungei nazvo, guys. What's your take? Zviriko here zvinhu zvakadai so? Are some people driving very luxurious cars actually making money out of these things? Are these people actually not taking our wealth? Isisu zvedu takagara kuno kuti tingoti zvese zviripo actually making money. Paipai pamune misangana navo madzimai akadai so, hamuzirimi here muri kuvaitisa mari imimi kuti ukarara naye iye akutoita mari iwo kwako zvichidhakwa? Is it not possible kuti zvakadaro zvinogona kunge zvichiitika? Okay, guys, hanzi don't dump Chikwambo like that. It's already waiting for her kumba. Okay, hanzi kure uko vatovese mota, you just hear eish ndanga ndashala. So people are just joking about this thing. Okay, hanzi Chikwambo zvacho hachiraswi zvakapusa so. No, chinoraswa sei Chikwambo, guys? Is it culture? Is it money making rituals? What is it? What's the reason for somebody to actually run away or to speed off after dropping something like this? Chi, guys, in your view. So this is it in Zimbabwe. I don't believe kuti you need to make money through looting, sorry, through Zvikwambo, through with, having bashto and all other things like this. It's scary, guys. Honestly speaking, it's scary. And uh, myself, I understand. I know some people, you come here, um, you find it difficult to look on this item or on this thing, but honestly speaking, ameno zvazvingori. So ameno zvazvingori, guys. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this issue? Kuromba here, zvichikwambo here, oro pane zvimwe zvinhu zvakabatwa ipapapa, zvinyi zvingava zvinenge zvakabatwa ipapapa. Let us have a discussion, let us talk about these things. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for the support. I love you all. Keep on subscribing, keep on commenting, sharing. That is what is very important. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.